boys and girls, our new number for this week is the number 15. Here we have the number 15 written down as a number. Boys and girls, I wonder if you could get your magic finger out and could you draw the number 15 in the air? Super. You'll notice that when you're drawing the number 15 in the air, that it's like a 1 and a 5 that are standing beside each other. Now for this part, I would like you to get up on your feet and we're going to try something a little bit different. So we've just drawn the number 15 in the air. I wonder if you could walk the number 15. So if you could walk in the direction of a 1 and a 5. See how you get on with that. So boys and girls, all about the number 15. We know from all the other videos that numbers can be made or represented in lots of different ways, and here are some of them. You'll see that there's numicon, you'll see a new number word, and there's also number blocks or number cubes, and you could make 15 by putting 10 and 5 together. We also can find the number 15 on a number line. So I wonder, can you point to the screen where you think the number 15 is? Do you notice what numbers are beside 15? Yeah, 15 comes between 14 and 16. You're absolutely right. So let's see if you found it. Well done if you're touching the 15 and the orange number. Okay, here's another number line. I wonder if you can find the number 15 again. Is it in the same place? What number is it between? Yeah, it's between the numbers 14 and 16. Well done if you're pointing to the number 15 again. Okay, we're going to do this together. I wonder if you can help me put 15 leaves back on the tree. Will you help me? Okay, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Super, thank you for helping me. But now what we're going to do is we're going to pretend that there's been a big gust of wind and the leaves are going to fall off again. So we're going to count backwards. Are you ready? So starting at 15 and going the whole way back to 0 until there's none left. Okay, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and there's none left. 0. Brilliant. Okay, this week we've got Sammy, and he loves sweets, but he would like to find the jar with 15 sweets. I wonder if you can have a look at your screen and see if you can figure out which jar contains 15 sweets. So take a bit of time checking. You might want to take a little guess first and then double check it by counting it. Which one looks like there's 15? Okay, well let's see. Just by looking at it, I'm going to take a guess that it's this jar, but I'm going to double check. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Will we click it and see? Oh, super! So Sammy's got his 15 sweets. And here we are again. You might recognise the number 15. Maybe it's on somebody's door that you know. Maybe you went on a walk and found the number 15 somewhere else. You might notice that it's on some buses as well. Something else, I know somebody in my class showed me this sort of a ball, but it had the number 14 on it last week. But you can also get the number 15 on a little pool ball as well. And you might find it on some buttons as well. Can you think of anywhere else where you might find the number 15? Yeah, you might even see 15 in our classroom or maybe somewhere in your house. 15 is everywhere. So just like every week, boys and girls, we are going to do some number 15 challenges. Before we look at these challenges, boys and girls, I want you to think about the number 15 in your head. And I would like you to tell me, boys and girls, is the number 15 an odd number or is it an even number? Remember, the odd numbers are the really sad numbers because they don't have a friend beside them. But the even numbers are the happier numbers because they do have a friend beside them. So have we think about that. So I would like you to do at least one of these challenges. And please send a little picture or a video to your teacher. So here we have 15 small things. So I would like you to find something similar at your house. It could be sweets or it could be toys, biscuits, anything that you can find. I wonder, could you make 2 groups and see how many other ways that you can come up with to make the number 15? So they've given us one suggestion. They've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on this side, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on this side. So we know that 7 and 8 make 15, and 8 and 7 also make 15. I wonder if you can find out any other ways. So there's one option for you. Let's see what's behind the pink star. Okay, this one is find a friend, okay? Because we're not in school, we can't do it maybe how we would have liked to. But I wonder, could you find somebody at home, maybe even your teddy or your little brother or your big sister, whoever it is, and give them 15 high fives? That sounds like a fun one, doesn't it? Okay, here's another challenge. Find somebody at home, and I wonder if you together with them can show 15 fingers. So obviously we can't do that one by ourselves because we only have 10 fingers. So you'll need some help. And just like the little toys one, there's different ways that you can show 15 together. So let's see how many different ways that you can do that. And the last challenge is underneath the number 5 or the green star. Let's see what's underneath. Okay, so quickly find something. So it's in your house or outside that shows the number 15, and I want to see how quickly you can do that, boys and girls. So it might be a label, it might be on a letter, it might be on some ingredients, maybe in your kitchen. See if you can find the number 15 really quickly, and your teachers would love to hear from you. So well done, boys and girls! Yous are now experts on the number 15. I wonder, can you give yourself 15 claps or 15 pats on the back to say well done to yourself? Super work, boys and girls. Bye.